Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Steam content server Unreachable. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is let's get the basics out of the way. First, try uninstalling and reinstalling your Steam. Once you've done that, try logging out and logging back into your Steam account. Also go ahead and check for the server status for Steam. So for example, Steam server status, and it's going to simply go ahead and show you if it is down or not on all countries right over here. As you can see, it's working everywhere. So it's not the server, it's just your internet connection. So a couple of things you can do is go to command prompt and then simply write the command netsh space winsock space reset. That is the one, and you need to restart your computer to go ahead and make this command work. What else you can do is simply right click on the network, go to network and internet settings, go to Ethernet or whatever you're connected with, click on edit right over here. Let me just show you again, DNS server assignment, click on edit, and it's going to look something like that for you. Change it to manual, turn on IPv4, make sure the preferred DNS is going to be 8.8.8.8 and the alternate is going to be 8.8.4.4, and click on save. That is about it. It should be working now. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.